coming decade, companies worldwide, no matter the size, will have to deal with massive transformation of all kinds. Transformation related to crisis, organizational changes, increased digitalization, the necessity to protect our planet, the demand for new working styles and new ways people will consume. The list is endless. In such major moments of change, it is not surprising that employees and business partners feel insecure, unstable, fearful. They need to change their habits, need to acquire new skills, get out of their comfort zone, need to reorganize themselves, and don't know what will happen tomorrow with the company, their colleagues, themselves. This is when companies not only need leaders with a strong vision, but leaders who relate to their employees, who will serve them, give them positive energy to move on in times that are tough, who encourage them not to give up, who hold the ship together. Leadership through times of transformation is an online training I designed to make leaders even more mindful, more human, more powerful, successful in times when great leadership at all levels matters the most. My name is Dr. Michaela Merck, and I designed this training based on 20 years of expertise in leadership, in consulting highly demanding companies and in training top executives and senior managers across the world. In addition to my professional expertise, I have also been in academics for the past 15 years, conducting research on relationship intelligence in leadership to enhance employee and client experience. To master the skill of relationship intelligence is an important leadership quality at all times, but it becomes mission critical when your environment is about to change. Let me guide you towards your journey of leadership excellence in a 3-week online course. In 22 videos divided in 5 main modules, you will learn how to sharpen your own leadership personality, how to use relationship intelligence in leadership, how to become more resilient after downfalls, and above all, how to lead your company through times of transformation. And in order to make you grow to the highest level of leadership and help you guide your business through challenging times, I literally put everything together I know and have seen about best-in-class leadership. And the good news, this training will not only make you a better leader, but also a better person, more fulfilled, more balanced, more grateful, more successful. It would be a pleasure to welcome you to this online training.